I made around $620 and I secured a $2,000 payout on this top account. The first request on this account got denied, and I requested another time, it got approved, and this will be the third time, so it should get approved because all my trades were perfect. Barely any drawdown, always like instant delivery, trailing more than a 5-1. Any drawdown I have into profit. So yeah, it's pretty solid week, and I just want to keep this consistency going. I feel like every single day I just was getting better and better, and executions were getting tighter and more accurate. Basically, just understanding the delivery and waiting for my certain structure to form. Like especially when you're waiting for a pure buy setup, you want to just make sure all of the sell side delivery was cleared. You don't want to give yourself any chance of uh, entering before sell side was purely finished and you just get stopped out or lose, and then you have the correct bias and you just are accountless or you're just like in too deep of a loss. So how you fix this is just by waiting for your certain setups to form. That's all you have to do. Basically just understanding where the openings and closings will go next on what this delivery would like to do. So I just had all my zones mapped out, basically making it easier for myself to read. Uh, I always recommend doing this because it kind of gives it like I see it as like a zone system, basically. Like price cannot go a certain way without going a certain way. So all you have to do to kind of identify this is just by pay attention to the closings. After we purely finish sell side, do you want to just keep shorting every pop? You could, but you have to be very tight. Or do you want to uh, just wait for any um, intermediate low to form and just see if it wants to create a V to go back up and create a higher high for that last structure that broke. So once you understand this, all you have to do is just wait. Once you do that, everything gets simple. So for that account was good, and then I went to sleep because I was so tired, and then I traded my other account right there. This was pretty solid. I kind of trailed a little too early. I wanted to get to 15, which was this was perfect. So the reason why I aimed for over here, so all I was doing is just seeing, are we going to keep projecting around this same zone? And are we going to just keep creating these easy opportunities to buy low, sell high? So once I understood that, you just wait for any type of order block. I waited for this specific order block just to see if we ran through it. We kind of closed back above, and we entered back up into the order block system to take out this high that I had out. So right there. And you see how price kind of went perfectly to it by the tick and just try to attempt to take it out. And then we had this huge sell side sweep and then instantly going back up. So all you have to do to avoid this right here is just wait. Wait till these like V start forming and you can almost get instant delivery. You just have to wait. It's hard, it's easier said than done, of course, but that's how simple it is. If you just make trading simple, you'll see results way easier because I was struggling just trying to enter any C plus setup instead of just waiting for my A plus setup and execute. And same thing for here. It's a little drawdown, maybe like 20 points right here. Just 20 points in drawdown. And I trailed a little too fast, for around like 650 points. Right? Or, yep. So I could have done this a lot better, just by not trailing and just letting full TP hit, but I just wanted to secure and not leave anything to chance. But for next time, I'll just be a little bit more patient and not trail. Just let it hit full TP or just trail once it's closer to the TP to fix these mistakes of trailing out early. So yeah, very solid performance. And then I just did a quick trade for like 7 points right here on MNQ and secured that account. And yeah, so solid stuff. 2K payout secured. And next week should be a huge, huge week for me if I just focus on these accounts, keep collecting my $600 base hits, 200 around there. each. And by Wednesday, Thursday, I should be able to secure these payouts because they're already past their days to request. I just need to bring up the balance, and I don't want to request a little payout on these accounts. Um, but yeah, hopefully you guys learned a thing or two. And yeah, if you just stay patient in your setups, you will always win at the end. Because how can you lose if you're really knowing where price will really deliver to by your setups and obviously knowledge and hours of screen time of trading delivery? Um, but the sooner you realize how easier it is, once you kind of realize you as the operator is failing and not understanding the real delivery, everything changes.